Well, alright, so camera decided to shut off once again. Doing the oil change on the truck. I think Dad had changed the oil last time in this thing before it was parked, because that that drain plug was on so tight. Holy cow, I could barely get it off. But yeah, anyway, it came off, drained it out. Super black. Had a little gas in it as well. I could smell a little bit of gas, but no chunks, no metal came out of it, so that's always nice. So I just put the plug back in it now and let it drain for quite a while. Probably let it drain for 30 minutes or so. Put the plug back in. Now I'm going to try and get the filter out. That'll be a chore in itself, I bet. So we'll take a look here. I'll show you where it's at. So passenger side behind the front tire. Let's see. There it is. I'll grab some light here. There. So, there it is. Where can I get you in here? There it is. So it looks like an old CarQuest filter right up in there. So I'll grab onto that and see if I can see how tight that's going to be now. Hopefully I can do it. Let's see what happens, huh? Just can't find a good place to put you either, so you can see. Let's try that. I doubt I'll be able to, if I can turn that. No way. So let me get my filter wrench and try it. Alright, we'll see if this is the right size or not. I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to get at it. I'll try it without an extension. Well, it's the right size anyway. Oh yeah. That wasn't so bad. Let's get the drain pan underneath. Oops. See how dark this is when I dump it out, huh? So I'll let that sit. Check for the, make sure there's no O-ring up there. Oh, that's fine. Got a rag. Rag and just wipe that off. And then what do you guys do? I guess I've always I've always added a little bit of oil to the filter, the new filter, before I put it on. Some people say not to do that, I guess. I always have. I don't know. I guess that's just the way I was taught a long time ago. So I'm going to grab the new filter. Yeah, like I said, I've always added a little oil to it, to the filter itself. I never fill it, but I just add a little bit. And then just oil up the O-ring on it. And I cleaned it out. Cleaned it underneath there already, so that should be good to go. I'll probably hit it one more time though before I go. And of course I can't really get you in there very close to see it, but I've got it cleaned off. We got the filter O-ring lubed up already. Until that cinches down. And with that oil on the seal, you won't have to use a wrench, just go until it's snugged up. So here we go. Now we'll go up top and fill it up, check the oil level. So then I normally never have a funnel handy, so I'll just take a quart of oil and cut the bottom off of it and use that as a funnel. It works just fine. So this will take about 6 quarts, I believe is what it said. Gallon and a half. Put one in, half of another. Put a little bit in, or a little more in anyway. Close. Check the level. Oh yeah. And she's right at the full, so once we start it up, it'll suck some into the filter, of course, and that'll add just a little more after that. There. So now we'll get it fired up and we'll check the oil again. Well, there we go. Started her up again. Let it idle for just a little bit. I got to put some air in the back driver tire and then we'll get it out of the garage. Alright, so check the oil again. That's good. Tire's aired up. That's ready to go, so we'll get it fired up again here. Move a couple things here first. sounds like my battery's dying, so I'm gonna put the jump box on it and try it again. All right, there you have it. Moved again. So now we can get started on this passenger side.